High-profile case ABC15 Chief Investigator Dave Biscobine has been covering for months.
Yeah, a bar complaint was just filed against Maricopa County Attorney Rachel Mitchell and two of her top prosecutors. It was filed by the defense attorneys for Nubia Rodriguez. She's the woman criminally charged after Phoenix police officer Paul Rutherford ran into traffic without looking. He did not survive. The court found this case was filled with problems.
But the county attorney's office kept pushing forward. Here's Dave Biscobine with the very latest. Dave.
Yeah, it was about a month ago that the court finally tossed the criminal case against Nubia Rodriguez for good. Now, we sat through days of hearings, and it was clear to the judge that the charges had no business being brought. But now Rodriguez and her attorneys, well, they want accountability. For 3 years, police and prosecutors refused to accept that Officer Paul Rutherford's death was a tragic accident. So they charged Nubia Rodriguez with negligent homicide. Now in a 46-page bar complaint, her attorneys are accusing lead prosecutor Tiffany Brady, MCIO executive Ken Vick, and county attorney Rachel Mitchell of ethical misconduct. Quote, Nubia Rodriguez committed no crime. It was obvious. After all three prosecutors were repeatedly presented with indisputable evidence that the allegations of negligent homicide were unfounded, they continued their prosecution. Investigations into attorneys are handled by the State Bar of Arizona. So when someone alleges misconduct against a lawyer, they file a bar complaint. And this complaint highlights a long list of issues. A few of them: hiding video evidence from the grand jury, making false and untruthful statements to the grand jury, and using speed data they knew was faulty. But here's maybe the clearest example. This nearby business security video shows Rutherford ran out into traffic without looking, and this was never shown to the grand jury. In the complaint, it says, without that video, defense counsel believes Ms. Rodriguez would likely be a felon by now.
Well, good afternoon, everybody.
And that's because the complaint also says County Attorney Rachel Mitchell was involved in the decision to continue prosecuting this case. Brady stated that Mitchell reviewed this matter with her. She also stated that Mitchell had approved the plea offer. The plea required Ms. Rodriguez to plead guilty to a felony and serve at least a 1-year term of jail.
Criminal negligence means.
Now that video, it was a key factor to the judge who finally dismissed the case.
What matters is he appeared from a place that he shouldn't have been to a regular driver, whether he was an officer or not. He ran out in front of her.
You know, it's a tragedy for all involved.
The bar complaint also goes after the county attorney for statements her office made to ABC15 during our coverage of the case. It alleges a failure to supervise because MCAO and Mitchell claimed there was, quote, no ethical misconduct in the case. And if there's any indication of how the judge felt about the case, here's what he said as he made the final decision to throw it out for good.
And I wish I wasn't here giving this news to his family, but I am. And I'm sorry that that's the case. I'm also sorry to the pain that has continued for others, including Ms. Rodriguez.
Rodriguez was a licensed therapeutic foster mother. At the time of the crash, she was in the process of adopting a special needs child in her care. The state took away that child after the charges were filed. Now, we reached out to the county attorney's office for comment as soon as we learned about the bar complaint this afternoon, but instead of receiving a statement from MCAO, Rachel Mitchell's campaign sent us a statement, and it says, this meritless complaint is nothing more than a political hit job timed to coincide with Tuesday's election. It's unfortunate that ABC15 would fall for this obvious ploy. Now, hit job was their term. We wouldn't use that term for such a sensitive story about an officer who died in the line of duty. But we also reached out to the defense attorneys who filed the complaint. They declined to comment, saying the 46 pages speak for themselves. We posted the whole thing at abc15.com/investigators, and there you can also see all of our reporting on this case. I'm investigator Dave Biscobine, ABC15, Arizona.